Riyana, you've been with Re-Nuble for at least almost 4 or 5 years now. What would you say are the skill sets needed to help drive excellence internally for a company that focuses with mission forward on sustainability?
First things first, I think it's really important to have a sense of curiosity. I mentioned this over and over again, that the industry is constantly changing, and if you're not constantly putting yourself in a position where you want to learn, it's very easy to lose track of what's happening. So just this excitement to learn, this curiosity, it is crucial, I personally feel. Number two is being a visionary. There are so many frameworks that exist. There are so many ways that you can structure a company's sustainability strategy. You can find endless sources for that, but you have to have a very strong sense of what that vision looks like for you, and to be able to map it out. Having that eagle eye view of what it looks like specifically to your company. And the third thing that I would say is the ability to ask the right questions. I say this because a lot of people will come to you with information and it may not be relevant to your company. So being able to really hone in on what is as relevant as possible and to just unravel things in a way where you're asking questions that make the most sense to you. It's just being able to parse through things well.